Hi guys, this is KizMarketTelevision.com and I would like to welcome you to another great video on how you can make money by referring people. I'm going to show you in a way on a website that is already there. I already talked about this website a few times with a new feature that you can get up to $100 by referring people. So before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you as always to click the subscribe button along this video, to follow my videos, to be part of my channel. It would be an honor, so you can see different ways on how you can make money online just by using your computer and the comfort of your house, just internet connection, and go from there. So with no further ado guys, let me go ahead and start this video. The site that I already talked a few times so far that you can use in different ways to make money is Fiverr.com. All the links you will need is listed on this video, and definitely you're gonna need the referral link in order to subscribe that I'm gonna talk to you in a minute, so you can get everything from below this video. And as you know, Fiverr is one of the best sites that you can use on different ways. I'm talking and show you a few ways on my videos on my channel how you can use to make money. And a new feature that is there is that you can use, if you use the referral link below this video in order to subscribe. Once you subscribe, later on you'll be able to refer people and get up to $100 once these people get registered, which is free. Yeah, so once people start to register, they can get up to you can get up to $100 by introduce your friends to Fiverr. So just a quick sample: once you start, people start to register to Fiverr, you'll be able to, using your link, which is going to be something like similar like this one, you'll be able to see that people are getting registered, and you are able to see their status, and you start getting up to $100. You're able to use back to Fiverr to purchase different services and products, and later on promote. Guys, this is a very fantastic, very simple way to do. As I told you, find the link below this video in order you can use and subscribe from your side. If you already haven't subscribed, use the link below this video that my referral, so you can use it. And the reason you can do it anyway, but the reason if you use the referral is I will be able to track and monitor what you will be doing as well. As you said, as you see, you are able to track your referrals, and I will be able to track your registration as well. And I can go there and see what kind of services or things you do, and I'll be able to use your services instead of the other people inside the program, inside the Fiverr site. So if, for example, you are able to start using a video animation or digital marketing or anything like that, I will be able to take your services and I can use it for my stuff as well, or I can suggest you to other people along the way. So why not go ahead, use the link. If you haven't already registered through there, I will be able to monitor, and I will monitor your work as well. So if you're using anything from your side, I will be able to take it from there and push it to other people. This is what I wanted to show you guys today. This is a very fast way. Everybody should find something. Everybody could find something that is very beneficial for them. Companies, individuals, you are able to find something here you are able to use in Fiverr. Me personally, I'm using this a lot either to promote or to sell. So with this referral money, I can buy some of the stuff that I can use for marketing later on. So that is very nice program that you can use. So this is what I wanted to show you today. Thank you guys. It was a very fast video. This is what I want to show you. If you are interested to find other ways with Fiverr that I'm promoting, just go back to my channel and see that is a few ways that I'm showing you step by step on how you can use stuff on Fiverr, promote it, and get some good money. So this is it for today, guys. This is a video I want to show you. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Use the referral video, leave your comments, subscribe to my channel, would be an honor, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.